At Sioux City, it was sunny with a temperature of 82. Once again at noon, in the Twin Cities, it was 79 degrees with haze and smoke. The Wisconsin Department of Natural Resources has issued an air quality advisory for PM 2.5, which will remain in effect until noon Thursday, June 29th. This advisory affects the full state of Wisconsin. Smoke originating from Canadian wildfires will spread from north to south on Monday, June 26th, impacting PM 2.5 concentrations at the surface. We expect the situation to remain highly dynamic over the coming days and will adjust messaging as needed. For Monday, June 26th, we expect the heaviest smoke impacts across the eastern half of the state, where the air quality index, ACI, is expected to be within the unhealthy category but could reach the very unhealthy category. People with heart or lung disease, older adults, and children should avoid prolonged or heavy exertion and consider avoiding all physical outdoor activities. Everyone else should reduce prolonged or
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.